Hello everyone, this is Bhagyashree here. I am from Krishna Pearls, Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. So today I came up with the new varieties with 5 strings and with earrings and all. The new pieces which recently launched. Every week we are coming up with the new varieties. So today I am going to show you this one, the string, and see, this is graduation pearls. It's a small to big one. This is called graduation pearl string. This is the, in between it has scissors with a small rounds. See how beautiful and how shiny are these. With earrings we are going to show you. And I can show you like this. See? How beautiful is this, right? You can use it with the office wear. And recently we launched pearls, krishnapearls.com, www.krishnapearls.com in website. Go to website and you can see these all new varieties. Recently we launched in 2014 in online website store. So like these varieties we do have a more. I'll just let you know how to place an order in website. It's a very easy to place an order. So quickly you can place the order in website. I just loved it. See? It's a beautiful. Like these strings we have a more varieties, more pearls. These are the fresh water pearls. So in Krishna Jewelries, these pearls is the most famous. So if you have a time, please go visit in www.krishnapearls.com. We have a more designs like this. I will explain you how to place the order for your New Year gift, for your upcoming events, many more. I'm going to show one more piece. This is the beautiful choker. See, I just want to show you in a stand, and also I'm going to wear and show you. This is an inox green stone, red stone. It has a 3-line pearls choker. In between it has a pendant. Oh my god, this is a very beautiful. See? I'm going to show you how to, like, I'll just wear and show you so that you will get one idea. I'm going to show you more varieties. Every week we are coming up the new designs, new varieties. See how pretty is this, right? You can pair it with a long necklace, you know, if you have something else. And also if you want me to show you with this matching of long necklace also, I'll just show you. See? How beautiful is this, right? It has with the earring also. It's a beautiful neck. This is the silver pendant with the golden plated base. See, this is a very reasonable prices. I'll just show you I'll just explain you with the prices, okay? And one more. This is also choker with blue onyx stone, flat pearls. In between it has a beautiful blue stone. It is a very beautiful. See how I'm wearing the choker with the another choker. So like these designs we have a more collection in store. Jubilee Hills, road number 36, Hyderabad. Krishna Pearls. So you can place an order from online. So it's very easy to place the order. Quickly you can do it. So I'll just explain you how to do it, place the order. I'll just show you 1 second. See, it's a beautiful. One pearl dropping. It has a scissors of sides. Flat pearls. It's a beautiful choker. See. We have many more collections in store, Jubilee Hills. Please visit the store. If you don't have time, please place an order in www.krishnapearls.com. Recently we launched. So yeah, let's go for the another step. Like see the 2 lines long two brochure, two sides. It has a 3 line. It's a very unique piece. There's a fresh water pearls. How pretty are these, right? See how unique piece is this? You can pair up with anything, like you can wear up with traditional dresses, contemporary dresses, many more like this. See, I just love this. Like this long necklaces, we do have more varieties. This is, I'm gonna explain you, this is a 7,500 rupees. We have more collection in your budget. So we like this product starts from 3,000 rupees we have. So please check in www.krishnapearls.com. So I'm gonna explain you with the prices. Hello Kirti ma'am, how are you? I'm Bhagyashree here. Please give your contact number in inbox so that quickly we can do the reply back to you in WhatsApp. Give your number to inbox so that it's very easy to convey you, give you back immediately. I can send you the more pictures like this. If you have a free time, we'll do the FaceTime and show you our new collections. See, we have many more varieties. In silver also we do have. I want to show you one more neck set. It has a 1 line pearl, freshwater pearls with a beautiful neck pendant. It has a 2 leaves with a small studs. See how pretty are these? Like this, we have many more in online store www.krishnapearls.com. So let's go. Let's start up with the shopping in Krishna Pearls website online. So quickly you can do the shopping in website. So excited. And I'm gonna show you, see at the back side also. I have a 1 line very beautiful neck. Silver. This is a pure silver. Pearl dropping pure silver. This cost is 6,000 rupees. Just 6,000 rupees. See how pretty is this. You can use with the unisex, you can use it with any contemporary dresses, any outfit you can use it. This is a very beautiful. When you wear the neck piece, no need to wear the earrings also. That's very pretty. See. Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful. See the earring. This earring is a silver with the pearls, with the kundan white stones, green stones. Oh my god, this is a very beautiful. Please visit www.krishnapearls.com and you can use it. Right now we are going, we have offers in website. You can use it flat 20, the coupon code. Please apply flat 20 coupon code and you just place an order your choice. I will just show you how to place the order. Like these earrings, we have many more collections in website, in online store and the exclusive store in Jubilee Hills. I'll just show you. So yes, come here. This is our website. This is our beautiful website. See. So it's a very easy to place the order. If you want a pearl earring, just go here. See, if you want a neck pieces, it's a very, we have many more collections. See, for any enquiry, you can please WhatsApp here. Here is a WhatsApp option, and if you want call directly, you can easy to call. Just click here. I will get a call and I will quickly reply back to you so that easy to place the order. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp us. Please give your contact number in inbox also. See, we have many more options. See, starts from 3,900, 4,000, 6,500 we have. If you want in earrings also, we have many more collection. Pearls in gold, pearls in silver, pearls in diamonds we have. So I hope you guys are enjoying this for the shopping website. Definitely you will enjoy to shop here. You just WhatsApp here, it will get directly. See, it will mention, we will mention very clearly here. Easily you can see it. How beautiful are these? And within your budget, and there is a offer is going on flat 20. So please apply here and you can get the many more discounts here. So yeah, I'll just show you. This is my number. See, 9248036721. This is my contact number. Please call me for the more designs. Follow our Instagram. You will get many more options. Like every day we are coming up with new collections. And every week we are launching a new designs. So this is my number. Please visit www.krishnapearls.com. These all varieties are in website. So this is the earring also. See how beautiful. It's a small scissors with a beautiful shape of earrings. This price is just 2,500. Like this we have many more collection in website. For any doubts, any clarification, you can call us. People like more pearls. So see, pearls neck string, pearl choker, pearl earring. See, just wear the pearl earring. You can ready for the parties. You can ready for your office wear. Like this, we have many more. And the long hangings. See, hangings. It's very beautiful. This is 2,600. How precious. This is a fresh water pearls. See, we have South Sea pearls, we have freshwater pearls, different pearls we have. We will get in touch with you. Please call us, please message your contact number. Hi ma'am, this is Bhagyashree here. Please give your contact number inbox so that we'll call back you immediately. Quick answer it will be. So you can, it's very easy to shop in WhatsApp, website, and please share your contact number and details. And this is my contact number 9248036721. This is my contact number. I'm gonna help you guys to purchase in Krishna Pearls. 9248036721. This is my contact number. Please call us for more information. So next every week we are coming up the new varieties. So what you are looking for, please give your description in inbox with your contact number, with your Gmail ID, so that please we have Instagram too, so you can follow our page. So tomorrow I'm going to again in live show in Facebook. So let's catch up at 11:30 tomorrow. Thank you.